The Tesla Model S 2025 continues to set the benchmark for luxury electric sedans, offering a seamless blend of performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek design and refined aesthetics, the Model S is a testament to Tesla's ongoing commitment to innovation and sustainability. The exterior of the Model S exudes sophistication, featuring clean lines and an aerodynamic profile that enhances its efficiency while making a bold statement on the road. The updated front fascia, flush door handles, and minimalist design language make the Model S a standout in the luxury segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Model S is equipped with Tesla's advanced electric drivetrain technology. The vehicle comes in multiple variants, including the Plaid Edition, which is designed to deliver unparalleled performance. With a tri-motor setup, the Plaid model offers incredible acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2 seconds. The dual-motor variant also impresses with exceptional speed and range, making it a versatile choice for different driving needs. Tesla's renowned battery technology provides an industry-leading range of over 400 miles on a single charge, ensuring confidence for long-distance travel. Inside the cabin, the Model S offers a futuristic and luxurious environment. The spacious interior is designed to accommodate both driver and passengers with maximum comfort. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout the cabin. The centerpiece of the interior is the 17-inch cinematic touchscreen display, which offers an intuitive interface for controlling various features, including navigation, climate settings, and entertainment options. A secondary display is positioned for rear passengers, providing them with access to entertainment and convenience features. The yoke steering wheel is another standout feature, offering a unique driving experience that enhances visibility of the digital instrument cluster. The 2025 Model S integrates Tesla's latest advancements in autonomous driving capabilities. With the full self-driving package, the vehicle can handle a variety of driving scenarios, from highway cruising to complex urban navigation. Over-the-air updates ensure that the system continues to improve over time, making the Model S future-proof. Safety features such as automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist provide peace of mind for occupants. Tesla has also focused on enhancing the connectivity and infotainment experience in the 2025 Model S. The onboard system supports streaming services, video games, and internet browsing, ensuring that both drivers and passengers remain entertained during their journeys. The sound system, custom engineered for the Model S, delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for enjoying music or movies. Wireless device charging and multiple USB-C ports add to the convenience, ensuring that all passengers can keep their devices powered. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the Model S's dynamic handling and responsive driving characteristics. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, provides exceptional stability and agility. Whether navigating city streets or tackling winding roads, the Model S delivers a thrilling driving experience. Regenerative braking technology further enhances efficiency by capturing energy during deceleration and feeding it back into the battery. Sustainability remains a core focus for Tesla, and the Model S exemplifies this commitment. The vehicle is manufactured with eco-friendly practices and materials, and its all-electric powertrain produces zero tailpipe emissions. Tesla's supercharger network, the largest fast-charging infrastructure globally, ensures that Model S owners can recharge their vehicles quickly and conveniently. Practicality is another strength of the Model S. The sedan offers generous cargo space, with both a front trunk and a rear trunk providing ample storage for luggage and other items. The rear seats can be folded down to further increase cargo capacity, making the Model S a practical choice for families and individuals alike. The 2025 Tesla Model S embodies the future of automotive innovation, delivering an unmatched combination of style, performance, and technology. For those seeking a luxurious and eco-friendly driving experience, the Model S remains a top contender in the electric vehicle market.